Huevos. You ready? All rise.
Stand up, all rise.
Thank you. You may be seated. Good evening. This is the time set for the 11 p.m. calendar on April 7th, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints given on the first calendar of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar. I'll call you each one at a time to the podium, and I'll provide a second name to sit in the chair outside of the room. If we could start with Mr. Washington to the podium and Ms. Leyva to the chair. Good evening, sir. Can I get your name and date of birth?
Rasheen Washington, 9/26/97.
Thank you, sir. It does look like we are here on a new Superior Court case, and it does include one count of aggravated assault, a Class 4 felony. Probable cause has been found, and I am appointing an attorney to represent you. You're going to have a status conference April 14th at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing April 16th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond of $50,000.
$50,000?
You'll have written conditions of release you'll need to comply with. It will include not returning to the scene of the alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victims, complainants, or witnesses, and you are not to possess any weapons. All of this information will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions, sir?
So I couldn't get OR?
Not today, sir. You do have a bond.
All right, thank you.
All right, if you'll step to your left, I'll give you that paperwork. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Ms. Leyva to the podium.
You ain't going
Juan
nowhere.
Penuelas to the chair.
Hey, what up? What up? Hey, how is
Good
everybody
evening,
doing
ma'am. Can I
tonight?
get your name and date of birth?
Just Leyva, Juveniles coming too.
Thank you, ma'am. It does look like we have 3 cases on the calendar, and they're probation violation warrants, with allegations that you violated terms 3, 4, 5, 7, and 15 of your probation.
Whoa.
I'll appoint counsel and set a probation revocation hearing on April 14th at 8:30. That does apply to all 3 cases. You have a secured appearance bond of $500 in one case and $100 in the other 2 cases for a total of $700. If you post that bond, you have written conditions of release you need to comply with. It will include contacting your probation officer within 24 hours. All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions? All right, if you'll step to your left, we'll give you that paperwork. Mr. Penuelas to the podium and Mr. Owens to the chair.
Mr. Who? Come again, Your Honor? Can you repeat that again for me? Please y por favor.
Good evening. Could I get your name and date of birth?
My name, Juan Penuelas.
And your date of birth, sir?
February 15, 2001.
Thank you so much. It does look like you are here on a probation violation warrant. They've alleged you violated terms 1 and 4 of your probation. I'll appoint an attorney to represent you, and you'll have a probation revocation hearing April 14th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond of $250. If that bond is posted, you have written conditions of release you need to comply with. It will include contacting your probation officer within 72 hours.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I was gonna tell you that it was just a citation. It was like literally something small, yo. Like I've been like complying on task, well not on task, but on probation. I've been complying on everything, yo. So, like, it's literally just a little citation. That's about it. I called and everything, and they told me that that they could rearrangement, and then told me that don't even worry about it. And my PO told me the same thing too, yo.
Well,
I've been going to my classes and everything literally on PO.
your probation
That's about
officer
it.
filed a petition to revoke your probation, and as a result, a warrant was issued. So you can discuss that with your attorney and your probation officer.
But when was this though? Like,
The warrant issued on March 27th. It's about 2
March
weeks ago.
27th? Yeah, that's a long time ago. We're not even on March 27th.
That was about 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, yo.
Okay, so
So
the
the
value,
warrant, you keep checking the new warrant that just came in on the computer?
so I don't show any additional warrants. There's nothing that's been
That's what
filed
I'm
on this
saying.
case.
That's
Okay,
what
so-
I'm saying. Like, literally, like, if you could check on the citation
What up,
list,
Pita?
or whatever, from where my old charge, that's where, what's called, from where my, recently where I came in not so long ago, what's called, for the citation, It'll tell you right there, ma'am.
So your warrant is still valid. So you do have the bond that you'd have to post of $250. Otherwise, you'll remain in custody until your hearing on April 14th.
Yeah, no, that's what I was just trying to see. There's any way that I could just get, like, what's called OR, man, by any chance? I got a job to go to. Like,
A job?
Respect, man.
And I understand, but you do have a bond, so you will have to post the bond in order to be released, okay? If you'll step to your left, they'll give you that paperwork, sir.
All right.
Mr. Owens to the podium. Ms. Caballero to the chair.
Get out of here. Hey, what up, Southside? Big K, Paco, Taco, Tonka, Modern Day Cowboy.
Good evening. Can I get your name and date of birth?
Connor Owens, June 15th, 1998.
Thank you,
Damn.
sir. It does look like you have 2 cases on the calendar. You've got a new Superior Court case for 1 count of dangerous drug possession, a Class 4 felony, and 1 count of drug paraphernalia possession, a Class 6 felony. Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you. You'll have a status conference April 14th at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing April 16th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in this case of $150. You also have a probation violation warrant with allegations you violated terms 6, 7, 11, 12, and 22. I will appoint counsel and set a probation revocation hearing on April 14th at 8:30. In this case, you have a secured appearance bond of $100. Between the 2 cases, it's a total of $250. If you post bond, you have written conditions of release you need to comply with. It will include contacting your probation officer within 72 hours. All of that will be in your paperwork. Do you have any questions?
I just have one question. So, $250 and, like, I'll bond out.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hey,
Alicia to the podium.
I'm definitely having a
Mr.
better time than
Rodriguez to the chair.
those guys right there, because I'm not in jail. I'm about to go to jail. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go to sleep.
Hi, can I get your name and date of birth?
Alicia Guerrero, 12701.
Thank you, ma'am. It does look like you are here on a direct complaint that was filed. It relates to an offense date on November 9th, 2024 for 1 count of dangerous drug possession, a Class 4 felony.
Yo.
I will appoint an attorney to represent you, and you're going to have a status conference April 22nd at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing April 24th at 8:30. I'm releasing you today on your own recognizance. That's your promise to appear at those hearings. You have written conditions of release you need to comply with, and then you need to ensure you attend those hearings to avoid any failure to appear warrants. All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
Okay, the one, of dangerous drugs.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. I don't recall none of that. Like, who would I talk about that?
You could talk
You
to
say
me
you don't
about that.
recall the situation?
Yeah, no, I never ever got nothing. Like, never. That's not me. It's not me.
Okay, so you think it might be
Well, my wallet has gotten stolen, and it had my social and my ID and everything in it. So
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if it might be, by them using my identity or something. But I don't recall. I didn't get pulled over or anything with the cops or anything.
Guard!
The cops around
Let her
or
go,
anything.
please. She's innocent. What up, Sancho 310? She's mistaken identity, stolen
I would recommend
identity
talking
here.
to your attorney about it, but it does mention this was an incident that happened at a Macy's back in November of 2024. I don't know if that helps ring a bell, but if not, then talk to your attorney and they'll give you the specific facts, but it was a situation that happened at Macy's last year.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
If you'll step to your left, they'll give you that paperwork.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, I don't even know how to pronounce
Mr.
Macy's.
Rodriguez to the podium and Mr. Murray to the chair.
Ay, ay, ay. They really need to set up this AI-generated
Hi, can I
stream.
get your name and date of birth?
Pretty
Wendy
good.
James Rodriguez.
Pretty
April
realistic.
2nd, 1983.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on a new municipal court case. It does include 1 count of shoplifting, a Class 1 misdemeanor. Probable cause has been found. However, due to the nature of your charges, you're not entitled to court-appointed counsel, but you can hire an attorney at your own expense. You're going to have an arraignment hearing in the Goodyear Municipal Court on April 23rd at 1 p.m. I'm releasing you today on your own recognizance. That's your promise to appear at that hearing. You do have written conditions of release to include not returning to the scene of the alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victims, complainants, or witnesses. All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions? Okay, if you step to your left, they'll give you that paperwork, sir. Mr. Murray to the podium.
Hey, how is everybody doing? How is everybody doing tonight? This is gonna be the last court of the night. This is the 11 p.m. Maricopa, Arizona live stream court.
Can I get your name and date of birth?
Daniel Allen Murray, March 7th, 1978.
Thank you, sir. It does look like we have 2 cases on the calendar. The first one is a new municipal court case. It's for one count of assault, a Class 1 misdemeanor. Probable cause has been found, and I'm going to appoint an attorney to represent you. You're going to have an arraignment hearing in the Buckeye Municipal Court on April 22nd at 2 p.m. I'm releasing you today on your own recognizance. That's your promise to appear at that hearing, but you do have written conditions of release you need to comply with. It will include not returning to the scene of the alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victims, complainants, or witnesses, and you may not possess any weapons, and you must contact your probation officer within 72 hours. Because you are on probation, you also have a probation violation. It's a Term 1 violation of your probation when you were picked up for this new offense. So I will appoint counsel in that case as well and set a probation revocation hearing April 14th at 8:30. You'll be released on your own recognizance in this case as well. Again, you need to comply with the written conditions of release and ensure you attend all of those hearings to avoid any failure to appear warrants. All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, if you'll step to your left, they'll give you that paperwork, sir.
Sorry, one quick. So I am being released on count 1, but not count 2, or?
No, you're being released on both of them, but you just need to ensure you follow all of the conditions of release and attend the hearing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hey, this is the last court of the night. Yup, they have 11
Case number 10
p.m.
and
court.
11, Luis Kruger, date of birth October 10th, 1990, will proceed as a house call due to dissolved behavior. We are here on a failure to appear bench warrant. I will affirm the attorney previously appointed to represent him and set a status conference April 15th at 9 a.m. In this case, he is being held non-bondable on that warrant. He's also here on a new Superior Court case for one count of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, and one count of drug paraphernalia possession, a Class 6 felony. I will appoint counsel and set a status conference April 11th at 8:30, an evidentiary hearing April 14th at 1:30, and a preliminary hearing on April 16th at 8:30. Because Mr. Kruger was out on felony release at the time of this new offense, he is also being held non-bondable on this case. The hearing set for April 14th at 1:30 is the time set to determine if bond will be set. If anything changes after I meet with him, I will update the written record. That now concludes our 11 p.m. calendar, and we will stand in recess until 5 a.m.
Ah, man. Why couldn't more people get picked up, man? They definitely messed up the prices wrong tonight, man. I was ready to go. My wife was like, go stream, go do something with you. So, all right, then I guess I will. And, man, I got to go back out there. She's like, damn, you're back fast. But, like, hey, I tried. I was ready to do at least an hour right now. I was ready to put in that major work, if you will. So the next court is at 5 a.m. Yes, it is. But at 5 a.m., I'm going to be sleeping. So don't expect me here at 5 a.m. But if you do want to catch it, I do run these on YT at CollectCallFrom right here. I'll leave it running. I leave my stream running all night on YT. I'll probably be on for the 7 a.m. one for sure. Yeah, 5 a.m., man. I wake up at 5 a.m., but, man, that's just a little bit too early for me. Let me see. Did you watch that trial, the rapper guy? No, I had to step out. I caught about an hour of it, and then I had to step out. I left it running, though. A lot of people from TT jumped over to YT to catch it. There was about 100 people that jumped on. Let me see. They stopped it? I heard it got good at the end, but, yeah, I haven't seen it. Can you what? Can you what? SE sue us again? What? No sé. Let me see. His girlfriend testified. I saw that part. I saw when she was on there, when she was talking about that they were living at different people's houses. Yeah, it was very interesting. All right, then shit. We're gonna have to catch it tomorrow around 3 p.m. in the UK. Then, well, yeah, that's right, man. Hey, I can't say this enough. I do appreciate you guys. For anybody that requested any stickers, I went ahead and mailed them out today. So the last of them, I think I sent 2 people hit me up from the UK. So those got dropped in the mail. I think 2 people from Canada dropped me in the mail. But I'm just going to go and let you guys know, anybody that hits me up for stickers from now on, it's going to be $1 shipping in the US. I'm give the stickers away for free, but I'm not going to be paying for the shipping anymore. So if anybody wants them, it's going to be $1. You guys could send that to me via Cash App. If you guys are going to be international, it's going to be $2. All right. Damn, James, you're not going to give him free no more. You're not going to cover the shipping anymore. Man, that's messed up, James. What's up, James? Times is rough. Hook me up. Nah, that's it. The free ride is over. It's going to be $1, $2. Come on. You can't pony up $1 or $2. Come on. You can't be doing that bad. You know what I'm saying? I want one, please. You know what I'm saying? But James, come on. James, hook me up. Come on, man. I didn't know you were sending them for free. I will cash it. Hey, at CollectCallFrom. Shoot me the money, and send me a message, and I'll drop him in the mail for you tomorrow, right? Don't tripas, if you will. As a matter of fact, I bought an extra stamp because I have to get those damn international stamps at the post office. So I bought one extra one. So if anybody's international, you guys want that, then I'll drop it in the mail. Hey, good night, Matthew. Have a good one. See you tomorrow. Thank you for everything. Hey, don't trip. Don't trip. Anyhow, let me see. I can't wait to see what happens. Hard for a jury with so much stopping. Man, yeah, I saw that when I went back because I clipped it or I trimmed it down. I saw there was a lot of periods where they weren't talking. So I'm assuming they were muting the mic, if you will. But it'd be like that in court. It's not like the movies, that they run the court and it's all action. There has to be some breaks in between. Melissa, that's what I said. It's aggravating. She gators. Anyhow, hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up for tonight. I'll be back tomorrow for sure. Tomorrow I do have some time on my hands. I don't think I have any plans for tomorrow, so I'm gonna be on for a few hours for sure. We are gonna have a fun-filled day, if you will. Damn, James, fun? You consider people going to prison and watching the Border Patrol hearing fun? Hey, it's not my fault. I didn't put him in that situation. I'm just, letting you guys know what time it is. Hey, buenas noches, Sancho 310. Damn, James, you're scandalous, James. People they're going through things in their life and you're streaming it. Once again, I didn't put him in the situation, if you will. Blow the candle, it slice out. You already know. Hey, buenas noches. Hey, anyhow, hey, good night, Wiznator. I'm just a chismosa. That's right. Actually, ain't nothing wrong with that. What happened last week with that kid and the dog? The kid. Oh, shit. Hey, I don't even want to know what happened with that kid and the dogs. All I know is that he got banned, rightfully so, from PetSmart, Petco, and all major pet stores, if you will. Cochino. How dare you do that to dogs? Come on now. And then record yourself and put it on social media. Ain't nobody think that's cool. That's utterly disgusting, if you will. What did he do? All I'm going to say is this, okay, Paris? It included a dog, peanut butter, and himself. And that's it. I mean, you're going to have to use your imagination for the rest because I can't put those words into the universe, if you will. Let me see. Just Luke. Let me see. Let me see. I wasn't there for that, and now I gotta look it up. Hey, actually, as a matter of fact, it's look one of my videos on my profile that has a Petco logo on it. It's a few videos back, and you'll see it on there. Hey, it's a wild world out there. It's a crazy world. You don't know what people are going through, what their thoughts are, and what their intentions are. So hey, definitely be careful out there. Hey, hold on to your pearls around your neck. Hold on to your purses, and especially if you're at Target, man. I've been hearing those stories at Target where people are getting followed around Target and then getting thrown in a van. Hey, proceed with caution out there. The world is crazy out there. The court proceedings, that's it. Sickening, bro. Hey, it's crazy. I was watching this video. It came up on my feed the other day where I think it was in India where some dude, it looks like he's like, I'm not sure if he's in a train station or if he's like in a bus station or in a bus depot, but he's on the phone and he has his son. The son looks, maybe he's maybe 4 years old, and this dude comes up to him and he asks him a question, and the dude that gets distracted and he stops paying attention to his son. So while the one dude's talking to him, some other dude comes and he snatches up his kid. He puts his mouth on the mouth of the kid, and he just picks him up and he walks away. So maybe like 10, 15 seconds later, the other dude leaves, and then the dad's looking for his kid, and the kid's gone into a sea of people. And that's terrifying. That's crazy. It's crazy. I showed it to my daughter. I was like, look, this is the reason why I don't let you walk outside of the house without you being with somebody, because of people like this. I was like, you never know what's in somebody's mind and what they're up to. That's why when we walk around, I'm always holding onto her hand. You know, we could be walking to school, we could be walking in a plaza or wherever. I'm gonna be clenching her little hand because you never know. It's wild out there. Let me see the lady today on the stand. You can tell she was hurting inside for real. Nah, if I see that, he can catch these hands and I'll smile in the mugshot. Yeah, but sometimes, man, hey, these people, they're slick. They're slick, especially if you're preoccupied on your phone or whatever. They'll get over you. Yeah, you need to carry. 110% right there, Mix. You said it right there. You said it. Hey, oh yeah. Anyhow, hey, I'm ranting right now. I'm going off of some. I'm going left right now or right or who knows where the hell I'm going. But anyhow, hey, I do appreciate you guys. I am Collect Call James. You guys are watching. You have a collect call from, and like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. The dog's innocent, writes Paris. What did if Willie? Hey, is your funeral, not mine. Blow the candle. Anyhow, hey, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it lights out. And with that, I'm out. Rato. Hey, what's up, Claudia? I haven't seen you all day. Be sure to show the TK. That's right, the TK, if you will. Anyhow, hey, I'll be back tomorrow. Not from the 210 West. Anyhow, guys, hey, I do appreciate you guys. Don't forget to share whenever I'm live, all right? And with that, I am out. All right, YouTube. And with that, I am out of here too, all right? See you guys mañana.